I like the beach. I like the beach. The weather is very nice. The weather is very nice.
The sand feels warm. The sand feels warm.
I walk near the water. I walk near the water.
The sea looks beautiful. The sea looks beautiful. I wear my beach hat. I wear my beach hat. I bring a cold drink. I bring a cold drink. My friends play volleyball. My friends play volleyball. I sit under the umbrella. I sit under the umbrella. The water is very cool. The water is very cool. I eat ice cream at the beach. I eat ice cream at the beach. The children build a sandcastle. The children build a sandcastle. I take pictures of the sea. I take pictures of the sea. I hear the sound of the waves. I hear the sound of the waves. I put sunscreen on my face. I put sunscreen on my face. My brother swims in the sea. My brother swims in the sea. We relax on the beach chairs. We relax on the beach chairs. I collect small shells. I collect small shells. I love spending time at the beach. I love spending time at the beach.